Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Code Hive Tutorials. Today we're unraveling the mystery behind Agile Scrum roles. If you've ever wondered who's who in the world of Agile Scrum, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the product owner. This is the visionary, the one with a crystal clear understanding of what the customer needs. They're like the captain of the ship, steering the project towards success by prioritizing features and ensuring the team delivers maximum value. Next on the list is the Scrum Master. Think of them as the guardians of the Agile Scrum process. They facilitate communication, remove impediments, and ensure everyone is following the Agile principles. They're the glue that holds the team together. Now let's talk about the heart of the operation, the development team. These are the talented individuals doing the heavy lifting. Coders, designers, and testers work collaboratively to turn the vision into reality during each sprint. Last but not least, we have the stakeholders. These are the people with a vested interest in the project's outcome. They provide valuable feedback, attend sprint reviews, and ensure the project aligns with the overall business goals. Now let's see how these roles interact. Picture a daily stand-up meeting. A brief daily gathering where the development team updates the Scrum Master and product owner on their progress and any roadblocks they're facing. It's all about transparency and collaboration. During the sprint review, the team showcases the completed work to the stakeholders. This is where feedback is gathered and adjustments are made for the next sprint. It's a continuous feedback loop that keeps the project on the right track. The key to Agile Scrum success lies in effective collaboration. Regular communication, openness to feedback, and a shared commitment to the project goals make all the difference. Another crucial tip is embracing change. Agile Scrum thrives on adaptability, so being open to evolving requirements ensures that the end product meets the ever-changing needs of the customer. There you have it, folks, a deep dive into Agile Scrum roles. Whether you're a product owner steering the ship, a Scrum Master ensuring smooth sailing, or a valuable member of the development team, each role plays a vital part in the Agile Scrum journey. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell. Happy Scrumming!